So guys, I'm at a loss for words right now. I just hit my first $100,000 month in my online business. What? Are you kidding me? $100,000 in a month? Last month, I just hit my first $50,000 month. I did a video about that, and now I just hit my first $100,000 month right after that. We literally doubled since the last month. I can't believe it, guys. Like, this is insane. I started this online business and I just wanted to make an extra $1,000 a month, maybe get to that $10,000 a month mark so I can quit my job. Now things are just exponentially growing. And in this video, guys, I just actually want to show you the 4-step framework and the 4-step process to build an online business. Now, whether you want to make $1,000 a month, $50,000 a month, or even $100,000 a month, this is the same framework I've been using since I started my online business. Not only is this going to show you how to build out a long-term business, which is going to last forever and ever, I'm also going to show you how to fast track your way to success. This is going to be a brand new training I've never released, guys, on my 4-step framework on how to build a successful online business. Really excited to get into this, guys. Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, guys, I teach you how to build a full-time passive income business with affiliate marketing. Now, guys, if you don't know about me, I was able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time online marketer within just 9 months of starting my online business. So guys, I just want to go over the whole process on how to do that with my YouTube channel. If you want to learn more, please subscribe down below, guys. Comment down in the YouTube comments down below. Like this video, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. I appreciate all the support, and let's get into it. I still can't believe I hit $100,000 last month, and I don't say that to brag, guys. I never want to say this to brag, but I want to show you that this is so possible. I have literally bootstrapped my way to building my online business. I didn't use ads in the beginning. I didn't have any venture capitalists, anything like that. I literally built my business, my brand, my email list, my YouTube channel. I bootstrapped the whole thing from zero, and that's what I'm all about, guys, because I want to show you how you can build this business while you're still working a 9-to-5 job, while you're still paying your bills, you have kids. You know, I had a brand new daughter on the way when I was building this online business, and I want to show you this 4-step framework on how I did it. Now, before I get into it, let me show you the proof of my first $100,000 month. Let's go. Okay, guys, now I do have over 30 plus income streams. This is income stream number 1. This is an affiliate product I promote. As you can see here, almost $4,000 with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. And this is reoccurring passive income. I love promoting ClickFunnels because it's a program that I personally use, and it's very easy for me to promote because I obviously use it and I know how it works. Now, I do have a ton of videos on how to use ClickFunnels, but more importantly, how you can promote it as an affiliate. So go check those out, guys. Now, the next one is YouTube ad revenue. As you can see here, $2,300 in the month of May. Okay, so YouTube ad revenue is basically YouTube paying me for when they run ads on my channel. Right? Not a ton of cash, but it's still a decent amount of income. And this is actually my biggest month with YouTube ad revenue. Now, another one here is the Get Response affiliate program. As you can see here, about $500 with this program here. And another one that I promoted a long time ago, you can see here, $294. It still brings in income as I still have other videos. I have blogs that promote this program here. Now, guys, as you can see here, this is the biggest chunk of change here, over $95,000 in the month of May, right? As you can see here, I'm gonna actually just change this here so you know that this is legit here. If I go to the 30th, it changes to 87, and then I go from the 1st to the 31st, it goes to $95,000. So yeah, I am blown away, guys. I never thought I would get to this point, okay? So let's get to the actual framework of how this works. Now, guys, the first step when creating your online business is we have to have a core offer or a core product, okay? Now, I wanna put this into context, okay? Because I built my whole business, my whole brand on an affiliate marketing product that I promoted, okay? Now, a lot of people don't understand this concept, so I want you to understand this as we get through these 4 steps of building your online business, okay? I started as an affiliate marketer, but most people always stay in that state of mind, right? They don't think they can build their business and brand in the long term, okay? So I'm not gonna start with building out your YouTube channel or your TikTok we want to start building out with our core offer, because that's how we're going to be talking to our target audience. That's how we know which problems we're going to solve. So having that core offer is so important, okay? Now, it doesn't matter if you're a course creator, if you are a coach, if you're a consultant, an affiliate marketer, it doesn't really matter. You just want to have that core offer, okay? So for example, when I was first starting out, my core offer was legendary marketer. Now, more importantly is I understood what the problem they solved, okay? I understood how they help people in this space, right? So basically they help people learn digital marketing or affiliate marketing, how to run traffic. So knowing that, I understood the problem and I understood, how to create content around that product. Now the goal here is to pick a product that has higher ticket commissions, usually $500 or $1,000 and above, because that's gonna help you get as much money as possible. That helped me make my first $10,000 a month, which helped me quit my job as an electrical engineer. Now there's a few places you can find offers. There's clickbank.com, there's JVZoo. You can find private networks like Legendary Marketer, Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program, the ClickFunnels Affiliate Program. There's so many offers out there that you can find. I just recommend, guys, you find an offer that you resonate with, something that solves a real world problem. And I think that's the biggest difference between just being an affiliate marketer and just being a real serious entrepreneur that is gonna make a change and make their first $100,000 a month, okay? I really believe that finding an offer that you resonate with but actually solves a problem is really important. Now, that being said, I always, recommend going to ClickBank to kind of get ideas, right? See what type of offer that you can find. But I don't always like clickbank.com. I mean, it's a great place for beginners to get started because it's really easy to find a bunch of products, okay? Now, if you want to build this business for the long term, again, find an offer you truly resonate with and that you can build your business and brand around. The reason I say that is because once you start promoting that main offer, your whole business and brand is gonna be built upon that offer, whether it's an affiliate product or it's your own business or it's your own course or coaching consulting. Now, I wanna show you my core offer and how it works with my online business. I'm gonna show you a screen here, and this is my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, okay? Now, basically, what I do here is I teach people how to build a 6-figure online business with affiliate marketing, okay? Now, with this core offer, it's something called a value ladder, okay? So I get someone in on a low ticket product here, for $7. And within this process, they come in and they buy multiple products based on if they need more help or if they want more, products that can help them drive traffic or build an email list, whatever it is, right? I know my target customer, so I know what type of products they're gonna want, right? So this is gonna be called a value ladder. Now, within this value ladder, there's multiple products here that I can make money on. $37. We have a $47 product. Sorry about my handwriting, guys. And then I have a $997 product, all the way up to about $7,000 with my YouTube ads and coaching and mentoring. So guys, this is called a value ladder. Now, as far as the value ladder, you can actually create this on your own by creating your own courses, your own products, and you can create that whole ecosystem of products. Now, the only problem with this is it takes so much time, right? So it takes time creating the courses, the products, the systems, the funnels. The easiest way I recommend if you're just starting your online business is partnering with a program that has this ecosystem of a value ladder, because then you can just partner with them and start making money like virtually that same day, okay? So I would recommend a system that you can find. Now, I do have my own. You guys can partner with me and get 50% commissions on this whole ecosystem if you want to. Now, I'm gonna leave a link down below to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge where you can go through it, and if you want to apply to become a partner with me, then you can do that and you can promote this on your own. That being said, there's so many other programs out there in any niche, guys. Health and fitness, make money online, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency. I recommend finding something that has a value ladder so you can make higher ticket commissions with that core product. Now, step number 2, guys, is creating an automated system. This is really important, right? Because we want to be able to have that financial freedom, have that passive income. So having the automated system is really important. And what I mean by automated system is having the sales process on autopilot, right? So I use a program called ClickFunnels, which puts my whole process on autopilot, right? I don't have to do the selling, I don't have to do the telling. Literally, this sales process is done by this software called ClickFunnels, and it does it for me. I don't have to be always getting on a phone call in selling people, right? I have a follow-up system which sends people emails if they don't buy, and the whole process is automated. And guys, this is really important because this is going to help you scale, right? You don't want to be starting a business where you're literally the main bottleneck, right? Because I see that all the time, and even local businesses where they really can't scale, and I always see the business owners always there, and I feel bad for them because, you know, they're smart people, they have businesses, but they're not automating their system, not automating the process. So as an online business owner, you know, I've been fortunate to have the tools, have the knowledge to be able to automate this whole system. Now guys, if you want to learn how I automate this, I do teach that in my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which I'll link down below. And I show you how to do the whole system of email marketing, how to create a funnel, how to get the traffic, how to automate the whole system as a whole. Now, again, I teach affiliate marketing, so the best and easiest way to do it is just to tap into a system that is already done for you. But of course, I do teach the skills if you want to learn as well, if you want to do that yourself. Now, step number 3, guys, is setting up the traffic machine. This is so important for long-term and sustainable growth. Now, there's a few different things you can do, and what I mean by traffic is getting customers to that automated system, right? Now, I've been able to build a brand and business around my core products, right? Now, I'm gonna go and let me just show you my YouTube channel here, because you can see that I've built an ecosystem of YouTube videos based on my core products that I've sold and I've recommended, right? Now, guys, this is really important for long-term growth. Now, you can do something long-term like YouTube that's gonna help you grow your business for the long term, okay? And this is what I recommend is really building out a YouTube channel, guys, because this has literally changed my life, because creating YouTube videos are gonna be there for years and years to come, okay? Because YouTube is a search engine, okay? YouTube, you know, people go to YouTube to search for a solution to their problem. That being said, your videos are gonna last forever, essentially, right? Whereas TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, your videos go away after a day or two. So with YouTube, your videos are staying on forever and ever. Now, that being said, it does take time to get your YouTube videos rolling, right? It takes time to actually, you know, get your videos to rank at the top. Now, I do have a few tips and tricks to help you guys grow your YouTube channel as fast as possible. Let me show you real quick. Now, when you're first starting out YouTube, you know, let's just say you have 0 subscribers, 0 followers, right? Like, we're just starting out from general. Where do we even start, right? And I'm not gonna go into all the, you know, the technicals of how to start a YouTube channel. I actually have a free YouTube course on this YouTube channel. You guys can go check that out, but this is just a simple framework you guys can use. All right, so let's just say you want to build a business on cryptocurrency, right? So let's just say, you know, you want to find some crypto YouTubers and you want to start creating content, right? So I'm going to do something like how to buy crypto, okay? And let's just say we want to build an affiliate marketing business on cryptocurrency, right? So I'm going to type in something like how to buy crypto, and I'm gonna go look at all these videos. Now, what I wanna do here is I'm gonna go look at the best cryptocurrency channels. I'm gonna model those channels, guys. Like, modeling is so important because we're not reinventing the wheel. We're literally just taking YouTube channels that are already popular and we're recreating those videos, okay? So let's just take this for example, okay? Crypto Casey, I'm gonna go to her videos here. And what you want to do here is you want to go to, you can sort by, here we go, sort by most popular. It was a little slow there, guys. As you can see here, I can see all her most popular videos, right? How to buy cryptocurrency, you know, Ethereum explained, Bitcoin halving. Like, I can literally recreate all these videos because I know these are extremely popular, okay? Now, this is exactly what I would do if I was starting my affiliate marketing business from scratch, is looking at 10 YouTubers like this, you know, Crypto Casey and, you know, 9 other YouTubers, and look at their top 10 to 20 videos and recreate them with your own spin and with your own story. Now, that being said, guys, I know YouTube takes time, and if you put in the work, I promise you, you guys will see the results come in later on, okay? That's what happened when I started my YouTube channel. I literally saw nothing for the first like 6 months, and then all of a sudden, like, the results just started coming in, okay? Now, that being said, that leads me to step number 4, and that is gonna be my fast track method to success. Now, I wanna show you exactly how you can grow as fast as possible. Now, a lot of people will skip right to this step, and I see a lot of people doing that now. without setting up kind of the core foundationals of the first 3 steps, okay? So I just want to caution you that, you know, step number 4 is, yes, it can get you results very quick, but those results can also die off. And if you don't set up your core foundationals, which is the first 3 steps that I just went over, then I don't think you're gonna build a long-term business. That being said, let me show you what I mean. Alrighty guys, so right now the fastest way to build your business, build your brand, build your email list is by using TikTok, okay? I've used this platform to massively grow my email list. As you can see here, using TikTok, we've been able to grow to over 90,000 emails, which has literally blown up my business, right? So yeah, TikTok is amazing right now, guys. Now what I do with TikTok is I create content and I take them to my YouTube channel, right? I do have a link in here that takes them to my core offer, but for the most part, guys, I do want people to go to my YouTube channel, right? Like what I do is I create videos, and then from there, I take them from TikTok to YouTube channel because I know that I can provide more value. I can provide, you know, longer form videos for my audience, okay? So this is the first way to fast track success is by using this hot platform called TikTok. Now, guys, TikTok, I don't think it's gonna be around forever. I think one day TikTok is just gonna die off as far as the organic traffic, just like Instagram did, just like Facebook pages. But right now is a great time, I think, for the next few years to use TikTok to massively grow your online business. Now, another thing I wanted to mention, guys, is YouTube Shorts, okay? Check this out, guys. I am creating 1-minute videos on YouTube Shorts, okay? Now, I do have a video on how YouTube Shorts works. It's in beta right now, guys. Right now, they are trying to compete with TikTok, so this is a great way to really massively grow your YouTube channel and get a lot of exposure because they want to compete with TikTok, so they're naturally going to give you more views and they're going to help you grow your channel because right now they want to grow as far as competing with TikTok. Now, as far as YouTube Shorts, I basically just take my TikToks, throw them on YouTube Shorts, and that's it, guys. And it's really simple because I can just make really simple 15-second to 40-second TikToks and just download them and put them on YouTube Shorts. Now, again, the main goal is to get people from TikTok and on my YouTube Shorts to my main YouTube channel, which is gonna help me build my business brand, email list, and my affiliate income for the long term, guys. And that's the 4-step process to really build out, you know, for me, $100,000 per month. But I've been doing the same thing since I had my first $1,000 month, guys. And I just want to go over the whole process and how this works. And I really want to give you as much value as possible because I want to help you guys build your business, create financial freedom, because I was there. I hated my job. I hated not being able to have the time or financial freedom that I knew I deserved. And, you know, I finally took a leap of faith and I went all in with my business as far as creating content and looking at the long-term vision, because I think a lot of people, what they do is they look at the short term and they don't look at the long term. They think that they're gonna make a lot of money overnight, and that's not gonna happen, guys, for the most part. You have to build out systems and processes and an ecosystem that's gonna help you build that long-term business. That being said, guys, if you wanna learn more, I do have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge down below in the YouTube description, guys. It's gonna show you how I built my business from scratch. And if you wanna go in depth, guys, if you really wanna learn exactly the whole process, I do have my main core program, Freedom Breakthrough, where I go over this whole process in so much detail, guys. That's my main program. I do have that link down below. It's called Freedom Breakthrough. Check it out, guys. I would love to have you guys inside the program to help you guys build your first 6-figure business. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Super excited to help you guys grow, and let's get into it.